It's a dog's life, as the saying goes, which is lucky for us when a dog's life includes swimming in rivers, running up mountains, chasing friends in fields, and rolling in unthinkable messes. There are many dog GPS tracks to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best dog GPS trackers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Fi Series 3 Smart Dog GPS Tracker. The Fi Series 3 Smart Collar is a sleek design that your pup won't even realize they're wearing. The GPS is super lightweight and integrates fully into the collar. This makes it a great option to wear consistently throughout the day. While you likely don't need to be tracking your dog's whereabouts while you're both at home, having a collar with a constant GPS tracker helps for those feared moments when your dog may run away or be stolen. More than that, you never need to remember to grab the device or set the app on walk mode. This device also tracks steps per day, energy level exertion, how long they've napped throughout the day, and their ranking among other dogs in the area and other dogs of their breed. I recommend always keeping the app open on your phone to ensure consistent tracking. If you do this, you will receive notifications when your dog leaves your home and when it returns. This is an amazing feature that only a few GPS have, but most require you to turn this feature on while still in range. Fi delivers this info via automatic alert so you can rest easy. Number 2. Tractive Dog GPS Tracker. If you have an active dog who is an escape artist and likes to roam the woods, go swimming, and play rough, the Tractive Dog XL may be the device for you. It's been able to keep up with tracking all over the local mountains here in Montana, even in areas that are difficult for phones and other devices to track. We were still able to track the device as long as the paired phone was in range of cell towers, even when we took the device to places without cell coverage. This makes it helpful for tracking a dog and seeing which direction they've gone in, though. Like any phone-based product, it can be challenging to maintain a connection. The connection on this device is very good and updates every few minutes to keep up with your dog's whereabouts. You can use precision tracking to show a more specified location and use the device's light and sound options to find your pup once you come in close enough range. The live tracking option will drain your devices and your phone's battery more quickly, but will give a precise and more rapidly updated location for 5 minutes at a time. Number 3. Link Smart Pet Wearable. The Link Smart Pet Wearable is a great tool for breaking those heavy focus moments and bringing your pet back to your side. Using the vibration tool has helped snap her back into focus and come running. Link has a learning section with links to YouTube videos on how to use its device for training. The Link has a track feature that can be used when your dog is not with you. Utilizing this feature and the light or the sound features help you get your eyes back on your pooch in no time. While the sound isn't particularly loud, the light is extremely bright. Despite the brush cover and fallen trees in the area, we felt very safe letting her run off leash in our local river trail system at night. Every once in a while, features cut in and out on the app itself. We fixed this by simply closing and reopening the app. We hope a bug fix in the app will solve those problems. Number 4. Cube GPS Tracker. The Cube GPS Tracker isn't specifically for dogs, but it's been making a name for itself in the world of pet tracking. While this tracker has a simple design and utilizes more urban tracking devices, it does have some unexpected features. Using the history tool, you can scroll back and see the paths your pet has taken each day, which is helpful if tracking down the wanderings of a lost pet. As a bonus, it pairs with Apple Maps, so when you are separated from your pet, you can get directions to their location directly from the Cube app, rather than trying to copy GPS coordinates or guess whereabouts on a separate map. This feature mainly works in urban settings, though, where you would follow streets rather than trails or bushwhacking through brush. You can share the device with others so they can also track your pet, which comes in handy for a family or in a shared home. A pairing button on the back of the device also works as a notification button that will send a text to anyone with access to that pet. Number 5. FitBark Dog GPS Tracker. The FitBark GPS is a powerhouse of a dog GPS tracker, utilizing every form of tracking available. It sends a notification within a few minutes when your dog leaves the house. There's an option to change this setting to make the notifications more instant, but it also has more false alarms and can drain the battery faster. And, as is, it only currently lasts about a week on default settings, but multiple weeks when connected to Wi-Fi. Many of us who enjoy spending time exercising our dogs have our own goals or metrics we're also considering. FitBark GPS not only tracks your dog, but it can also keep up with your own health goals. Pair it with your Apple Watch or Fitbit, and you can see your steps and fitness alongside your dog's location and activity. Using the sleep and activity data, FitBark helps formulate a larger picture of a dog's well-being based on other factors you may already know, such as dermatitis, frequent urination, and even separation anxiety. The metrics alone are interesting. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know the product price, please check my video description. Looking for any queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.